How you doing, guys? Dragonman here, and I'm cutting down this Harley Davidson cylinder here. And the reason I'm cutting the cylinder down is because the guy wants 9.5 to 1 compression pistons. So instead of giving him the expensive pistons, I take an 8.5 to 1 piston, I cut the cylinder down 50 thousandths of an inch, and it becomes 9.5 to 1. That's better than buying these forged $250 pistons, and they're very heavy, and it throws the balancing off. So I could make this 9.5 or 10.5. You guys could keep that in mind, you know, if you want to do something like that. Okay, let me show you a few things what my machines do here. I've been shaving a lot of flywheels lately. It's pretty popular. And show you how this works. See right here, I got to take off about 2 pounds. Right now I'm cutting 3/8 of an inch off in one shot. And this is very popular if you want faster RPM. Yeah, look at the metal there. Look how many flywheels I've been cutting with. Out of every 5 motors, three of the customers want that flywheel shaved. Okay, over here, these are case repair sections that I cut out of old cases, and I use them to fix the broken cases. So this guy hit a rock underneath his motor and cracked the whole bottom. I cut this piece out of one of these case repair sections, and look how perfect that fits. This is going to be, look at that, huh? So I'm going to weld that up and probably get that done this afternoon. Okay, let's see over here. Here's where I put dual spark plugs in. I got fixtures for dual spark plugs for all the Harley heads, 9/16, 14 millimeter. And that's done really fast. It only takes like 15-20 minutes to do both heads. Okay, this machine over here, this is my headmaster machine. And see, this floats on air. And this is very, very accurate. Yeah, look at that. That's something, huh? It locates itself over the valve guide hole. And then we start it like that. We go right down. We cut the seat out. There's a stop to show how thick the seat is. And these are the cutters. And it follows the valve guide hole. So that's how we put the seats in. And it comes out really good. Yeah, look at that. Pretty good. But that's what this machine is for. Okay, you come over here. This is my motor stand. I can run every Harley Davidson big twin motor 1936 to 99, adjust everything. This machine here, I rebuild the connecting rods, I change the races, the bushings, hone them all out for 54 turns on all the bearings. Okay, this machine here, this was on my last video. The guy sent a good case so I could cut the insert out and fix the bad case. So this insert moves. The only way to fix it is cut out a good one and cut out the bad one and put it right in. This will be done by tomorrow. This here's my automatic honing machine here. You just you put how many thousandths of an inch you want taken off. You lock it, you put the oiler on, we hit it on. This here's a 1/10 of a thousandth dial indicator, and it'll measure how much is coming out. Every 8 to 10 minutes, this bores out about 10 thousandths of an inch. So if you guys came with a boring job, if you want to spend like 25 minutes here, you'd go home with both cylinders. Can't beat it. I've been using this machine probably for 45 years. Okay, over here, this is my valve grinder machine. Everything's cut 30, 45, 60 degree, 3-angle valve job, 15 minutes. This cross hatches the cylinders. This hones out the Sportster and the Evolution valve guides. This one, the 3/8 valve guides, like the shovel head and the pan head. Okay, over here, this is my boring bar. See that? We just lower the tip like that, and we put it on. Show you how that works. See, like that, and it's going to go straight down. See, like that. So if I have to bore out a cylinder more than 10 thousandths, I use my boring bar, and it cuts it out really fast. And then when it's all done, at the bottom here, it'll hit the button, it'll go back up, or I could do it manually. Okay? Yeah. Okay, that's what the boring bar does. Okay, they get the races out. I made all different kinds of fixtures. Here, we put this in here, and we got a spring-loaded fixture here. It takes about 1.5 tons, you know, to press the race out. See that? And then I have other fixtures to put the races back in. I also use this to take the valve guides out of the heads. Okay, come around a turn here. Over here we cut out the pan head seats. I had the tool maker cut these flutes, 3 to 4 thousandths underneath these flutes. So it'll have a 3 to 4 thousandths interference press fit, and these definitely won't come out. I heat up the head and we punch them right in. Okay, this machine here, relocating the spark plug hole, 9/16 14 millimeter. I weld it all up, I drill a hole, I put my tap in there, 9/16 14 millimeter, and it could be for short reach or long reach. Okay, this machine here I use like all the time. This has 100 memories. Here, see, I welded up the valve guide, the cam hole, and all I got to do is bolt this down, 0 with a dial indicator from the pinion race, 0 out the machine, and from that point on I read the directions, you know, the blueprints, and it takes me right to the right spot. Okay, let's see. Okay, this machine here. Okay, what I use this machine for is to cut down the valve, the seats, if they're too high. And this is how nice it comes out. Look at that. Yeah, so these heads go at the right angle and everything, just like that. And these cutters, they're carbide, and they'll cut the seat right down to where they belong. Okay, this machine here, this fly cuts the deck height, or I could take that shell reamer out of there and put a boring bar in there, see the boring head, and I could cut out the hole for big bore cylinders, 3 5/8, 3 11/16, or 3 13/16. Okay guys, I got to get to work now. I just want to show you what a lot of these machines do, so you don't think I just have machines all over the place so I look important. If you need any of this kind of work done, give me a call, 719-683-2200. You have a great day. I'll be working.